What a lovely cup of coffee the Java coffee machine makes. My name is Paul, and I and my friend Maggie are here today to introduce this lovely coffee machine to you and to show you how to make a really great cup of coffee with it.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Maggie from Java Coffee Machine. Let me show you how to use this Java Coffee Machine with my friend Paul.
First, Maggie will show you how to put the full water compartment into the machine. That's very simple. And now she'll show you how to fill the machine with coffee beans. That also is very easy. Now Maggie will turn on the power at the back of the machine and start the machine with the button on the front. The machine should now display open tap. If for some reason it does not, it simply means that the water compartment is not properly inserted. When you then remove it briefly, put it back in, and everything will work as planned. Now Maggie will turn the right rotary tap. We should then hear the sound of a pump as the cup fills with water. When she turns off the tap, the machine should read ready. Now, let's show you how to make a really good cup of coffee. The Java coffee machine makes coffee in 3 strengths: mild, 1 tap on this button; normal, 2 taps on that button; and strong, 3 taps on the button. It also has 2 spouts so that you can make 2 cups of coffee at the same time. And the spout is adjustable so that you can fit in different sizes of cups. Now, we'll show you how to make a really good cup of coffee. If the machine should read fill beans, then you have to press it a few more times so that enough coffee dust is in the machine. You can also adjust the quantity of water with the knob on the left. It goes from 30 milliliters to 240 milliliters of water. After the coffee is made, to clean the lines, you press this button, and all the used water and unused coffee dust is cleaned from the lines. At this time, we'll show you how to make a cup of cappuccino. First, Maggie will press the steam key. We have to wait 30 seconds for the steam to become hot enough. Now, for the foaming, you have to make sure that the valve is turned to the top for foam. Now you can see that the steam is ready. So Maggie will turn on the steam valve to begin the foaming and adjust on the other valve for the foaming time. Here we've got the milk. Foam is going into the glass. We're done with the foaming. Now Maggie will add coffee to the foamed milk. had that great cup of coffee now, and we'll show you the processes of cleaning the machine. First is the daily cleaning. Maggie will press rinse. This clears the lines and cleans out the machine. Now she'll remove this bottom drawer and take out the tray that holds the used coffee grounds and throw them away. The second cleaning process takes place after 200 cups. First, Maggie will put in some tablets in the little door at the top of the machine. Then she will press the rinse key and hold it down for 3 seconds. This will begin the cleaning process. This process takes about 30 minutes. So she will want to put a big cup under the spout to gather the water that is accumulated during the process. The third cleaning process is automatic and occurs between 1,000 and 1,500 cups, depending on the hardness of the water that you use to make your coffee. So we've taken care of the daily, the 200 cup, and the long-term descaling operations for your machine to keep it in excellent condition to make that great cup of coffee. We'd also like to introduce to you some of the functions of the program key. By pressing the program key, you can access a counter for the number of cups made. You can set the time to turn the entire machine on and off automatically. There are other functions accessible through the program key. Please refer to your manual for details. So, you can see the Java coffee machine is really very easy to use and make a wonderful cup of coffee. It will help you have very many great coffee experiences and bring many surprises into your world to discover. Thank you very much for your kind attention to Maggie and me today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.